Hi, hi friends. I am Ganesh, and today I am here to explain the topic about data science in healthcare. The seven applications you should know, and no one will tell you about these seven things. Data science is growing rapidly to occupy all the industries all over the world. Today, in this topic, we will understand how data science is transforming the healthcare. We will understand various underlying concepts of data science used in medicine or biotechnology. The medicine and healthcare are two most important things of our human lives. Traditionally, medicine solely related to the discretion advised by the doctors. For example, a doctor would have suggested suitable treatments based on a patient's symptoms. However, was not always correct and prone to human errors. However, the advancements of computers, in particular data science, is now possible to obtain accurate diagnostic measures. There are several fields in healthcare, such as medical imaging and drug discovery, genetics and predictive diagnosis, and several others that make use of data science. Will go through each of the field one by one with examples. Here you can see data science for medical imaging. These are seven applications we will know. The data science for genomics, the drug discovery with data science, and predictive analysis in healthcare, from monitoring patient health, tracking and preventing diseases. These are the and providing virtual assistance. These are the seven topics and seven applications we should know. And with example, the data science in healthcare, data science for medical imaging. The primary and foremost use of data science in the healthcare industry is through medical imaging. There are various imaging techniques like X-ray, MRI, CT scan. All these techniques visualize the inner parts of the human body. Traditionally, doctors would manually inspect these images and find irregularities with them. However, it was often difficult to find microscopic deformities, and as a result, doctors could suggest a proper diagnostics. And the second topic is data science for genomics. Genomics is the study of sequencing and analysis of genomics. A genome consists of a DNA and all other the genes of the organisms. Existence ever since the compilation of human genome project, the research has been advancing rapidly and has inculcated itself in the realms of big data and data science. Before the availability of powerful computation, the organization spent a lot of time and money on the analyzing the sequence of genes. There was an expensive and tedious process. However, with the advanced data tools, it was now possible to analyze and derive the heights and insights from the human gene in much shorter period of time and in much lower cost. The goal of research scientists is to analyze the genomic strands and search for irregularities and defect in it. Then they find connections between genetics and health of the person. This is the third application we should know, data drug discovery with data science. The third, drug discovery is a highly complicated discipline. Is a very pharmaceutical industries are heavily relying on data science to solve this problem and create better drugs for the people. Drug discovery is a time-consuming process that also involves heavy financial expenditure and heavily testing. The data science and machine learning algorithms are revolutionary in this process and providing extensive insights into optimizing and increasing the success rate of these predictions. Pharmaceutical companies are in the insights from the patient information and such as mutation profiles and patient metadata. This, this information helps the researchers to develop models and find statistical relationship between the attributes. In this way, the companies can design drugs that can address the key mutations in the genetic sequences. Also, deep learning algorithms can find the probability of the development of disease in the human system. The data science algorithms can also help to simulate how the drugs will act in the human body and takes the way the long laboratory in experiments. With the advancements like data science, facilitated drug discovery, it is nowadays possible to improve the collection of historical data to assist in drug development process with a combination of genetics and drug protein binding databases. It is now possible to develop new innovations in this field. Furthermore, using data science, researchers can analyze and test the chemical compounds against a combination of different cells. This is the fourth application, predictive analysis in healthcare, and we will know about this and its applications and its examples. Predictive analysis in healthcare. Healthcare is an important domain for predictive analysis. It is one of the most popular in health analytics. A predictive model was historical data. It finds about various correlation and association of symptoms, finds habits, diseases, and makes meaningful predictions. Predictive analysis is playing an important role in the data science, improving patient healthcare and chronic diseases management, and increasing the efficiency of supply chain and pharmaceutical logistics. The population healthcare management is becoming increasingly popular topic in predictive analysis. It is a data-driven approach focusing on prevention of diseases that are completely prevalent in society. With data science, hospitals can predict the deterioration in patient's health and provide patient preventive measures and start an early treatment that will assist in reducing the risk of further navigation of the patient health. And fifth topic is monitoring the patient health. And this is very important topic we should know. Data science plays a vital role in the Internet of Things. These Internet of Things can help a patient in monitoring health. The data collected is analyzed with the help of data science and keep track of patients' cycle. The blood pressure we can calculate as well as their calorie intake. Other than wearable monitoring sensors, doctor can monitor a personal patient's health through home devices. For patients, there are several systems that can track patients' movements and monitor the physical parameters and analyze the patterns that are present in the data. It makes use of real-time analytics to predict the patient and if face any problem based on the patient's conditions. Furthermore, it helps the doctors to take necessary decisions to help the patients in distress. And sixth topic is tracking of preventing diseases. And we should know about the examples and its applications. Data science plays a very important role in monitoring patients' health and tracking preventing diseases and notifying necessary steps to be taken in order to prevent potential diseases from taking place. Data science are using powerful predictive analytics tools to predict the diseases in an early level. In many extreme cases, there are many instances where due to negligence and diseases cannot known at early stage. As the diseases grows, the cost of caring also increases. Therefore, the data science helps in huge role in optimizing the economic spending on healthcare. Therefore, there are several instances where AI is placed a huge role in detecting diseases in at early stage. The seventh one is, and the last topic we should know about the providing virtual assistants. The virtual, with the help of this, we can do predictive modeling. Data science have developed a comprehensive virtual platform that provides assistance to the patients. With the help of this platform, we can know a patient can enter or enter her system symptoms in the output or insights about the possible diseases based on the confidence rate. Furthermore, patients who suffer from psychological problems like depression, anxiety, and neuro neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer can make use of virtual assistants and help them in daily tasks. Some popular examples of virtual assistants are Ada, a startup based on a Berlin, and it is can know about the symptoms, and Ybot. It is a chatbot developed in Stanford University that provides a therapy treatment to patients and suffer from this description. And the last summary you should know based on this. In this end, we conclude the data science and its applications in healthcare. The medicine and the healthcare are in industry has heavily utilized data science and improving and lifestyle of patients have been changed by this data science and predicting diseases at early stages. Furthermore, advancements have come in take place in medical image analysis it is possible to doctors to find out more microscopic tumors and that were otherwise hard to find. Data science has revolutionized in healthcare and the medical industries in large ways. Hope this article would help you to know.